Good time of the day, you are on Knitting Lessons channel. We'll again knit a hat for the volume of the hat 54 centimeters. Pattern of our braid consists of 9 stitches. It's knitted circle-wise with the help of circular needles. I used such ones. I made a review on them on my channel. You can watch it. I used needles number 3 for a rib and needles number 3.5 or 4 for the pattern. We'll also need an additional needle and a marker to mark the beginning of the row, a crochet and a skein. It's Alize Lana Gold 800. I need it in 4 threads. You'll need one skein of one color and another skein of another color. Rewind the skein into 4 clues. Knit in 4 threads. For this hat, this hat I needed from Alize baby wool skein. I needed it also in 3 threads, and it took 3 skeins to knit it. You can knit such a hat for any volume of the hat. First, you need to knit a sample and count the number of stitches for a rib. How to count the number of stitches for a hat, I have a video about it on my channel, and you can watch it. After knitting a rib, you need to add the number of stitches so that the total amount of stitches will be divisible by 9. Because as I told you, that is our braid of 9 stitches. Here it is. So if you want to have a circular pattern and seamless hat, you add the stitches so that the amount of them will be divisible by 9. I think it's clear and understandable. Also, subscribe to my channel and my group in Facebook. Let's get started. Let's start knitting. I cast on 97 stitches on the needles. I need 96 stitches for a hat and 1 to connect the stitches in a circle. Watch how to cast on the stitches on my channel. And also there is a video how to count the number of stitches for a hat if you have another volume of the hat. You can watch this video also. So you count the number of stitches for a rib and then add so many stitches that the total amount of them will be divisible by 9. So you'll have a circular pattern. First stitch from the left to the right needle you move. Like that. Done. And the float next. Stretch a stitch from the left needle and return from the right to the left needle. Tighten the thread, place the marker and start knitting. Knit 2 knits, two purls. You can watch a video on my channel how to knit a rib circle-wise. The second purl, again knit 2 knits, again knit purls, two purls, 2 knits, again 2 purls, two knits, two purls, 2 knits. I knit purls back. You can knit them front. It's up to you. I personally knit them back. It's more comfortable for me. You can knit knits front. If you knit circle-wise, knit knits front. Here's the front side, knit front, So continue knitting like that till the marker, then continue knitting a rib till the height you need. You can knit a short rib, like in this hat for example. Here, this is the sample. I'll knit here a long rib. It will take me about 50 rows. So knit a rib till the length you need. I've knitted a rib about 50 rows in height. In the last row I moved to larger needles. Next we'll add the stitches so that the number of them will be divisible by 9 as a result. As far as our braid consists of 9 stitches, here is our braid, and our pattern consists of 8 rows in height. We are to knit the first row of our pattern and we'll add stitches in this row. Next we'll knit the pattern several times, and there is no need to add any more stitches in our pattern. So I need to add 21 stitches to have a circular pattern. I'll add to every first knit stitch. If I add to every first knit stitch, I'll have 24 stitches as a result added. But I need 21, that's why I'll miss one at the beginning and 2 in the middle somewhere to have 21 stitches added. We need 2 knits at the beginning of the row. Knit purls as knits as far as it is the first row of our pattern, and we'll knit 3 rows knitwise. Then raise the stitch from a float and knit knitwise cross. Done. Next knit knitwise. Add like that near every first knit stitch. Knit purls knitwise. Again raise a stitch. Knit knitwise cross. Then knitwise. Again knit purls again knitwise. Again raise a stitch from a float. Knit knitwise cross. Next knit knitwise. Add like that till the end of the row. Again knit purls knitwise. Raise a stitch from a float. Knit it knitwise. Next knit knitwise. Again knit purls knitwise. Raise a stitch from a float and knit knitwise a float. Then cross, knitwise cross I mean. Next knits as knits. Add like that till the end of the row. You'll miss somewhere in the middle 2 stitches. As a result, you'll have 117 stitches on the needles till the end of the row. It was the first row. Knit the second and the third rows knitwise without adding front. We'll meet in the 4th row. It's the 4th row according to the pattern. I knitted 3 rows knitwise. Next we'll knit an additional needle. We take on it 3 first stitches and leave them in front of the work. Knit next 3 knits. 1, 2, 3. Return those 3 stitches to the left needle. Knit also knitwise. 1, 2, 3 and 3 knits. 1, 2, 3. That is the pattern of the 4th row, which we repeat till the end of the row. Again, take an additional needle, take 3 stitches to it, 1, 2, 3, leave them in front of the work. Next, knit 3 knits, 1, 2, 3, return, knit knitwise, and 3 knits, 1, 2, 3. Again, that is the pattern of our 4th row. Repeat it. Again, 3 stitches, leave them in front of the work. Next, knit 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, return, knit knitwise, and 3 knits, 1, 2, 3. Well done. And knit the 4th row like that till the end. Having knitted this row, knit the next 5, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th rows knitwise front. It's the 8th row according to the pattern. We needed 3 knits, 1, 2, 3, then leave 3 stitches to the additional needle and leave them behind work. Knit next 3, 1, 2, 3. Return and knit them also knitwise. 1, 2, 3. Repeat the pattern. Knit 3 knits again. 1, 2, 3. Take 3 stitches on the additional needle. Leave them behind work. Knit next 3 knits, 1, 2, 3. Return and knit knitwise. One, 2, 3. Done with the next pattern. Repeat then again 3 knits, 2, 3. Take 3 stitches to the additional needle. Leave them behind work. Knit next 3. One, 2, 3. Return. Knit knitwise. Again done with the next pattern. Continue knitting like that till the end of the row, and then repeat the pattern from the 1st till the 8th row. We added in the 1st row, as I told you, no more adding, just knit from the 1st till the 3rd row, knitwise. Knit crisscross in the 4th row, next, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th rows, again knitwise, and the same crisscross in the 8th row as we did now. So repeat those 8 rows till the height you knit. If you want to knit gradient, after several patterns, having knitted one and the second one, you start changing the thread. If you want to knit without gradient, you knit till the top of the head. Repeat the pattern of 8 rows till the height you need. Next, I'll show you how to cast off the stitches. This head will knit with gradient. That's why now I'll knit a few patterns in height. I'll tell you then how many, and then I'll show you how I change the thread. Then finish that row and repeat the pattern from the 1st till the 8th row, till the height you need, or till the moment when you'll change the thread. I knitted 3 patterns in height. Now we need to change one thread. We add one blue one. I mean the thread. We have 4 pink and the last blue one. We'll need a few stitches with 5 threads. According to the pattern, it's the first row. We are to knit 3 rows knitwise. So 2 first stitches we knit as knits. Next one, pink thread I leave. Here you tie it with the blue one from the reverse side. Then you cut it and hide. Like that. Here leave 1 thread. Continue knitting with 4 threads. 3 pink ones and 1 blue. Knit like that 4 rows, and in the 5th row you'll again change the thread. Continue knitting like that, and then change the thread step by step. I knitted 4 rows. Now we are to change 1 more thread in the 5th row. You can take a thread from the inside in the middle of the clue and knit the same way. First a few stitches knit with 5 threads. Then take away 1 pink thread. The same way you fix it and hide from the reverse side. Then continue knitting with 2 pink and 2 blue threads. Like that. Continue knitting like that, change the threads step by step. Change them as you wish in the 4th or in the 5th rows. That's up to you. I change them after every 4 rows in the 5th one. And change like that. I showed you how to do it. Change all other threads. I changed all 4 threads, now you need a pattern till the top of the head. Next I'll show you how to cast off the stitches, so continue knitting till the top of the head. See you when we are to cast off. I've knitted till the top of the head, now we'll cast off the stitches. We'll cast off in the crisscrosses. It's the 4th row according to the pattern. It means I knitted 3 rows knitwise. If it's the 8th row according to the pattern, in your case, maybe you have another volume of the head, you'll also cast off in the crisscross. So it's the 4th row, you leave 3 stitches in front of the work next. 3 next stitches cast off, knit 2 stitches together. Done. Then 1 knit. Then return those 3 stitches to the left needle and also cast off. Knit 2 first stitches together. That is the first and that is the second. Knit them together. 1 knit. Next we have 1, 2, 3. Knit 2 first knits together and knit the third. That's our pattern where we cast off. Now we have 5 stitches. We cast off 4 stitches and we have 5 stitches left from the braid. Now you cast off like that till the end of the row. Again leave 3 stitches in front of the work. Cast off 3 next. 2 together. Cast off them. And 1 knit. Return. Knit also 2 together. And 1 knit. Again 2 first stitches together. Cast them off. Done. And one knit. Knit like that till the end of the row. After that, knit 3 rows knitwise without casting off. That is the second row of casting off. We knitted 3 rows. Next we knit 2 together, 1 knit, 2 together, 1 knit, like that till the end of the row. 2 stitches you knit together, like that, 1 knit, 2 stitches you knit together, 1 knit, again knit 2 stitches together, one knit. Continue knitting like that till the end of the row. After that, knit 3 rows knitwise without casting off. That is the third casting off, and we knit 2 stitches together till the end of the row. We have 2 stitches, we knit them together, knitwise. Again 2 next stitches, knit also them together, knitwise. Again 2 together, knitwise. Knit like that till the end of the row, and knit the next row also 2 together till the end of the row. Continue knitting like that. We finished with casting off. Now we stretch the thread through the remaining stitches. I cut off the thread from a skein. Now take away the needles, step by step. Stretch a thread through the remaining stitches. Take a crochet and stretch the thread. Again take away the needle and stretch the thread. Move to the next needle, take it away, now tighten the thread and hide it from the reverse side. Catch it and hide it from the reverse side. Tighten it well and hide. Next you cut it off and hide. Our hat is ready. You can wear it as it is or decorate it with a fur bob. It's up to you. If you like such a hat, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye to everyone. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.